Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change font style in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to display, then go to font style. This is default font style. If you would like to choose other font style, you can choose from the available options. Okay, I am choosing this square option. Yes, it is now applied. Go to the home page and see the changes. Go to settings page and you will see the changes of font style. Okay, again I go to the display, then I go to font style, and only you can choose from the available options. Okay, slab, Android, global, these are all the font style available within your phone. Okay, if you would like to keep in default font style, keep on the first option default and it will be set directly. And yes, font style has been restored to default. In this way, either you can change font style or keep in the default font style in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.